Stop scrolling. If you're moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and you buy the wrong house, you'll regret it every single day. This one fixes everything most homes get wrong. Let's go look at it. Let's go to the front first. So I'll show you the front. I just wanted to show you this beautiful feature in beautiful sunny Las Cruces, New Mexico. Not many homes have pools out here. This is perfect home, perfect pool, good size. So let's go. So if you're relocating to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and you want space, privacy, utility, and a lifestyle without paying luxury prices, then this property matters. This is the property. It sits on half of an acre. You heard right, half of an acre on this beautiful home. This is not just another house, you know, that looks the same as the rest. As you can see, this is a home in a more established neighborhood with really large trees here in the front. Look at this pine tree, how massive that is. So this is a community that, you know, has been here for a while, and so has this home. This is not another look-alike house that, you know, they build them all the same. This is a territorial style setup built for people who actually live, work, and move with intention. So let's go ahead and see the inside of this home. So throughout the house, you will see this tile like this, and then it does vary over there, but this is the home, and I want you to take a really nice look at this home, because this is why people are moving to Las Cruces, because of the lower cost of living. Remember, taxes alone here are about 1%, a little further out from the city. This is actually Mesilla, New Mexico. So, but I want to show you right, get into it. Look at those beautiful granite countertops. Love that hand painted ceiling right there. So you have a really nice big kitchen, and it is, you can see to the living spaces over here. Let's walk into here. Next. Now this home is actually very close to New Mexico State University and the Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. So that's also here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. This is a real wood burning fireplace. That's the front door where we came in. So just so we can understand where we're at. Nice wide open space. This is another living room here. There is a step down. I think this would be kind of like the formal dining area here, right off of the kitchen. And I want to show you this angle too of the kitchen. So as you can see, we walked into an open living and dining layout that really makes sense, because we can be here just cooking, right? And then take it over there right close to where the dining area is. In the mornings, I can imagine myself sitting over here, watching the sunrise. You know, beautiful different color of shades in Las Cruces, New Mexico. We do have beautiful sunrises and sunsets, so that's fantastic. Let's keep going on the tour. So this is a very large home. It would be really nice for hosting family, friends. I mean, there's a lot of space in this home. It has around 1,950 square feet, and it sits on more than half of an acre, 0.53. Hey, No HOAs for those of you that hate HOAs. This home does not have an HOA. These are the 2 bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. So this is a fairly large bedroom. And so is the other one, but I just want you guys to see. This is the shared bathroom here. Double sinks, which is nice for a shared bathroom. And a nice shower. Good sized bedroom. Now, one of the nice features is that you do have rear tinted windows. There is a 50-gallon water heater with a recirculating pump, so it delivers instant hot water. Here is the primary bedroom. Good size walk-in closet. I love all this natural light. So this is a really nice large home with a pool. Just want to show you, this is the primary shower right here. Then you do have a sink. And then here's another closet for you. Another angle. Hey guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya. Whether you're thinking of moving in 1 week or 12 weeks, a year, 2 years, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We would love to get to talk to you. We do video phone calls before you come and visit Las Cruces. That way we can talk about what your needs are, the type of home you're looking for, you know, all the good stuff. You're looking for $1 million home, you're looking for a $200,000 home. We have plenty of affordable homes out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico, if that is what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and go outside and talk more about the actual lot, because it's a huge lot, right? Love this deck inside the pool. Look at that. They have this setup where inside they can just sit and relax and talk. They don't need to be sitting on the stairs. There's an actual table there. That's pretty cool. Hadn't seen that before. Now, I can only imagine myself how beautiful it's going to be in the summer when these trees are so green. I mean, you know, it's a massive yard. There's actually a garage over there, but just want to show the pool again. So this does have a large lot, maybe even for an RV, for trailers, whatever toys you have. This yard can definitely, you can definitely have a lot of space for whatever toys you do have. And as you can see, it is private all around the yard. This is an RV gate right there. Let's go into this garage and just look at the garage. So this is a separate garage. Workshop, large workshop. I love that it has a mini split over there so you can heat it and cool it. You have a classic car you're working on, perfect. This would be a really nice spot because it's already heated and cooled. Or maybe you have a hobby. I don't know, you guys tell me what you would use this spot for. There's also another one, and let's go look at that. There's a detached office, and that's what we're gonna look at right there. That's the detached office. So just if you're wondering, that is a 25 by 25 shop, and this is the office. It does have air conditioning, which is nice. You know, maybe you just need an office, you work from home, you don't want to be in the house, you want to relax out here and then plunge in the pool afterwards. Whatever you want. This home, you can do whatever you like with this home, right? So now this is a rare setup, and I say rare in the good way because not many homes have a garage like that, right? And also another office, and you can bring cars in through here if you're a car enthusiast or whatever you do, you like to do. You can bring an RV as well. I love the fact the way it's set up because it's huge. I mean, look at the yard. It's a good size, good home. You may be wondering, well, what's the price on this beautiful home with the pool in this territorial setup style home? Well, the price of the home is $409,000. Now that's what they're asking. Remember, we're at a buyer's market, so we could always offer, you know, something that whatever you guys feel the house is worth. But come on out and visit Las Cruces. It is sunny right now. It's beautiful. It's cold at nights, yes, but in the day it's like this. It's nice and sunny. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. Now remember, I am going to do a drive. I really love this area because all these homes have a lot of space, about half of an acre, more than half of an acre of land with these homes, and you're going to see that throughout the drive we're going to do. Now remember, if you're coming out to NMSU, then this is really close to the university where you have food. There's so much food here. When you're close by, you're about maybe 5 minutes from the university. And food, there's just a lot because we're close by. And then don't forget, this is actually Mesilla, so you do have the Mesilla Plaza close by. You can go and hang out and see all the shops and have breakfast, lunch, whatever you like. All right, let's go do the community drive.